Is Nikon Z24 to 120mm f4s the lens that crushes kit zooms? Ever felt like your camera lens is gatekeeping your vision, forcing clunky swaps that fumble your perfect shot as moments slip away? That sting of missing a fleeting sunset or candid portrait. Too relatable? Drop your most frustrating lens switch story in the comments. Let's swap war tales and uncover a zoom that'll make your Nikon Z sing. Imagine the grind, racing against fading light, stress piling as lens changes eat time, burnout dimming your creative fire with every heavy bag tug. Your shoot's a logistical mess, sapping the joy from every frame. What if one lens could conquer all, wide vistas to tight portraits, without the chaos, delivering crisp control with a single twist? Enter the Nikon NIKKOR Z24 to 120mm f4s, the premium all-in-one zoom lens that's rewriting the rules for Nikon Z-series shooters with its 24 to 120mm range, wide enough for sprawling landscapes, tight enough for soulful portraits, and a constant f4 aperture that locks in silky exposure like a maestro. Feel the dual STM motors hum, delivering whisper-quiet autofocus for video or stills, while Nano Crystal and ARNEO coatings paint vibrant, flare-free scenes that pulse with life, evoking the crisp snap of a perfect moment. Picture Mia, the travel vlogger whose Z6 II struggled with kit lens limits. This lens nailed sweeping cityscapes at 24mm and candid street shots at 120mm, her footage glowing with edge-to-edge sharpness. Or Pro Jake, whose event gigs soared with distortion-free candids, the 1.15-foot close focus capturing ring details like a love letter. It's not just glass. It's that electric thrill of nailing every angle, colors dancing in premium S-line clarity. Stay tuned for a slick control ring tweak to supercharge your settings on the fly. Now, dive into the magic. The Nikon NIKKOR Z24 to 120mm f4s turbocharges your workflow, sharpening focus with 5x zoom versatility that conquers landscapes to portraits. It's 630 grams weather-sealed build balancing like a dream on your Z8 or Z5. Performance soaring as 3 ED elements banish aberrations for tack-sharp frames that feel like velvet. Sense the manual focus ring's buttery glide, the customizable control ring tweaking aperture with intuitive finesse, evoking that satisfying click of a perfect shot. Why the hype? Thousands can't stop buzzing. DP review raved. Rivals primes in sharpness. It's the ultimate one-lens travel kit. Influencer Sarah gushed. From 24mm vistas to 120mm bokeh, my Z7i's never been happier. Silent AF is a video godsend. A wedding shooter shared. No more lens swaps. Nailed candids and wide venues. Weather sealing saved me in drizzle. Worried about no built-in VR? Pair it with Z-series IBS for rock-steady shots. Imagine ditching heavy bags for one lens that does it all. Pure liberation. Which NIKKOR Z24 to 120mm feature, the constant f4 or close focus, would spark your next shoot? Comment below and let's trade vision. See why it's the S-line star. Unmatched clarity, seamless range, pure creative freedom. Hurry! Nikon NIKKOR Z24 to 120mm f4s stock is fading like twilight. Join the legion of pros and travelers who've unleashed their Z-series with its 24 to 120mm brilliance and constant f4 edge, as one user beamed. Sharpness and versatility that killed my kit lens woes. If lens swaps or dull frames cramp your style, this rewrites your story. Click now for an exclusive control ring hack to streamline your flow. Don't wait. Snag yours and shoot legendary today.